Good day, my friends. I'm Mama V. I'm super excited to share with you that I get to cook up a storm in not one, but two amazing kitchens. One in Ottawa, Canada, and the other in Reggio Calabria, Italy. So come join me in one of my kitchens and see what delicious dishes I'll be whipping up for you to try. Good day, my friends. This is another puff pastry pizza. I'm telling you, you are going to love it and you are going to make it. Believe me, you will. After I show you how to make it. You will need a round puff pastry, cream cheese of your choice. I picked cream cheese with herbs. 150 grams of cooked ham, prosciutto cotto, a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, pickled eggplants, pickled mushrooms in spicy oil, 2 fresh mozzarellas. The first thing we do is we spread the cream cheese all over the puff pastry. And then you add your cooked ham, which is prosciutto cotto in Italian, which you can find in any delicatessen Italian grocery stores. And I'm telling you, once you try prosciutto cotto, you'll never go back to those prepackaged ham. Next, we sprinkle Parmesan cheese. And a word of advice, do not buy Parmesan cheese in those boxes. Please go and get yourself freshly grated Parmesan cheese, or else you can also grate your own Parmesan cheese. There will be a difference. Then you add your pickled eggplants. You are able to find these in your local grocery store, maybe in the Italian section, but they're worth to buy. They're great also in sandwiches or panini, if you want to call them in Italian. Spicy pickled mushrooms. They are very good if you like spicy. If not, you can also find them plain. Next, you add your fresh mozzarella. Now, if you can't find the fresh mozzarella, you can always buy the mozzarella in a block and you can grate it and you can add that instead. But if you're able to find the fresh, you'll see the difference of this cheese. It is absolutely fabulous. The puff pastry pizza is not even cooked yet, and it looks pretty good. Oven to be preheated at 200 Celsius, and you put it in and you cook it for 30 minutes. There you have it, my friends. Puff pastry pizza. It looks absolutely delicious, and I'm telling you, if you try it, you will be amazed. Thank you for watching my channel, Cooking with Mama V.